Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to reopen Instagram photos already viewed on mobile. Sometimes on Instagram, someone sends a photo in chat and you view once, it disappears or can't not be opened again. If you've ever wondered whether there's a way to view it one more time, there's still a small workaround you can try on mobile. The idea is to stop Instagram from updating the message status while you open the image. First, open the chat where the photo was sent, but before tapping it, turn on airplane mode to disable your internet connection. Once your phone is offline, go ahead and open the photos so you can view it. After you've seen it, close the Instagram app completely. Next, head into your phone settings, find the app section, and locate Instagram in the list. Open it, go to storage, then clear the cache, app, and data. Keep in mind this will log you out of the app. After that, turn your internet back on, sign back into Instagram, return to your messages, and open the same chat. In some cases, the photo will appear unopened again, allowing you to view it once more. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.